Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Janera, and today I'm going to be reviewing Charlotte Tilbury's new Quick and Easy collection in the shade Sunkissed. So if you're interested in seeing the application, review, and swatches of these shades, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already have all of my base makeup on. I just want to jump right into these new portable, refillable, quick and easy makeup kits. I did pick up the shade Sunkissed, and I want to show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is what the kit looks like, and it opens up from the bottom. And then in this kit, there's an eye, lip and cheek, and highlighter wand. And then you just pull each one out. It's a little hard to get them out of the case, but here's the size. It pretty much looks the same size as a lipstick. And then next I want to swatch these wands so you can see which shades come with this kit. Okay, so this is the Mesmerizing Metallic Easy Eye Wand in Sunkissed, and it has a smudge and crease resistant formula. And then let me swatch this shade for you guys. And this is what this shade looks like. It's a very pretty pink metallic shade. Next up is the Easy Lip and Cheek Wand in Sunkissed, and it has a soft matte cream formula. And then I'm gonna swatch this shade right under the eye wand. So this is a swatch of this lip and cheek wand. And then lastly in this kit is the Easy Highlighter Wand in Golden Glow. And then this is a cream highlighter that has a dewy glow. And then when it comes to these highlighter shades, it's really important to make sure that you pay attention to your kit, because for each of the 5 kits, there's 5 different lip and cheek wands, 5 different eyeshadow colors, but then there's only 2 different shades for these highlighter wands. It either comes in the Chic Glow or the Golden Glow, and then the Golden Glow can only be found in 2 different kits. That's the Sunkissed and the Golden Glow. And then the other 3 kits only have the Chic Glow highlighter wands included, so really pay attention to that when you're choosing which kit to go with. So this is the swatch of the Golden Glow highlighter, and I'm really happy I went with this kit. I didn't realize the difference in the highlighter wands until I purchased it, but this highlighter wand is a lot more deep than the Chic Glow. So basically for deeper skin tones, I do recommend getting either the Sunkissed or the Golden Glow kit, just because I do think that these Golden Glow highlighter wands are more flattering for deeper skin tones. All right, so first I'll be applying the Easy Eye Wand. I already put some bronzer on my eyes just to warm it up. I don't really like using shimmery shades up to my crease. I just like to keep it on my eyelid. I think I need to warm this up a little bit first. So one thing to note about this eye wand is that it's super hard to blend out. I guess that's because the formula is smudge and crease free. I did try to use some bronzer to blend out the edges. I feel like I would like it more if it was easier to blend out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on the other eye. I'm gonna warm it up first. And then I'm just gonna use some bronzer to blend out the edges. But yeah, that's basically how this eye wand looks on my eyes. Honestly, I don't think that this eye wand is effective for this kit, just because this is supposed to be a quick and easy makeup look, 5 minutes or less. And with this eye wand, you have to be super careful when applying, because once you put it on, it won't move. I want to just be able to like rub it over my eyelids, blend this out, and then just go, but you can't do that with this one. So just really keep that in mind. In general though, I do think that the shimmery eyeshadows do take a lot longer to blend out. When I do use one just in a palette, like you do have to be really neat with it as well. So it makes sense that this one is the same. I do think that for these 5-minute eyeshadow kits, they just should have gone with like matte shades all throughout each kit. So you see how the blush and the highlighter shade kind of just move around, but with this eyeshadow shade, like it does not go anywhere. Like it is super stiff. So definitely smudge proof, but super stiff, hard to blend out. But yeah, next let's move on to this lip and cheek wand. The technique that I like using is applying it to my hand first and then using my brush to pick it up before applying it to my face. And this is how much of it I'm gonna use. Yeah, so already I do really like this formula a lot more. It's not as stiff, it's very creamy and easy to blend out. Yeah, this is such a pretty shade. I really like that. And then let me show you this shade up close. All right, so let me add this to the other side. All right, so I really like this blush shade and the formula. This is super easy to apply. Like, you can just put it on, like blend it out with your hands or your brush, and you should be good to go. The eye wand, no, but the lip and cheek wand, yes. But yeah, next, let's move on to this easy highlighter wand. And I think I wanna blend this out with my fingers, so I'm gonna apply it straight to my face. Well, that is super pretty. I'm gonna use a little more. Let me add it to the other side. And this is so easy to blend out with the fingers. I can definitely see why this is called a 5-minute makeup kit. I don't know if you can see this, but this glow is super pretty. So if you do have deeper skin, I would definitely go with this golden glow and not the sheet glow. And then let me just get closer to show you this finish next to the blush. All right, so overall, I do really like this lip and cheek wand and the highlighter wand. They're super easy to apply and blend out. The eyeshadow, not so much, because you have to be super careful, because once you apply it, you can't move it around. I do really like the shade of the eyeshadow though. I think that the shimmery shade is very pretty on top of the bronzer. If you are really comfortable with applying your eyeshadow, you know, you might be able to do all three in under 5 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and finish my eyebrows, eyeliner, and mascara, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and this is a completed makeup look for today. The only thing I'm gonna do next is use this easy lip and cheek wand on my lips, and then use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm on top. All right, so this sun-kissed wand looks really nice on the lips. I'm just gonna add some lip gloss on top. Yeah, this is a really nice duo. Like, it looks really pretty on the lips, and then it also looks really nice on the cheeks as well. All right, so this is a completed makeup look using this kit. Again, this is the shade Sun-Kissed. Okay, so overall, I really do like this kit. The only thing I don't like is the eyeshadow formula. It's super hard to blend out, even though the shade is super pretty and goes really nicely with the other two wand shades. And then for the lip and cheek and highlighter wands, they're super easy to blend out. I really like the formula, and I think that the shades are very pretty. And then I also think that this lip and cheek shade is very pretty on the lips. One major drawback with these kits though is that it's way too expensive to customize your own shades. I know for me, if I wanted to customize mine, I would have to go with the super chic eyeshadow, because it's not like a shimmery metallic shade, it's more of a matte shade, and I think it would blend out a lot nicer. And then it also has a really pretty lip and cheek color in it as well, but the only thing is that it has the Chic Glow highlighter wand instead of the Golden Glow, and I do think that the Golden Glow is nicer with deeper skin tones, so that's a huge downside with these kits. I really wish I could customize it based on which shades and formulas work best for me without having to pay $90 instead of the $75, but I do really like the Sun-Kissed kit though. I think it does work really well for me, so I'm not gonna complain. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you have any questions about this new quick and easy kit, please let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, if you are new here, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.